Hey, welcome back to Art by Julie E. If you're just joining us for the first time, I'm Julie E. and this is what we're working on today. I got this synthetic paper with graphic designs on it from Kamenskaya's online shop. She makes beautiful inks. I thought I would try the graphic design paper and see what that's like. So that's what we're going to be working with. But I just wanted to show you the prints first. This is the flower pack. She has a few different design packs. There's dancers. I think there's one that's just faces. Just really cool designs and everything. And I think these flowers are just beautiful. Check that out. And it's a large sheet of really thick paper. So we're going to work on one similar to this one today. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how beautiful they all are. Aren't they gorgeous? That one, not pretty. So yeah, let's go ahead and head over to the table. I will have a link for these papers in my description. Okay, we're back over at the table, and these are what I'll be using. These are watercolor markers, and I fill that tube up with 99% isopropyl alcohol. And then when I need a little bit wetter of a brush, I just squeeze it a little bit and a little bit more alcohol comes out. And then I'm going to be using my Berta Mini, and I have a zip tie to constantly hold down my cool shot button because we want just cool air. This is a synthetic paper and heat can warp it, and we don't want warpage. So in that bottle we've got the 99% isopropyl alcohol. I'll also be working with just two colors, I believe. That is Ranger Amethyst. And then I have Kamenskaya ink in Moss. I also have a 50-50 mixture of Pinata Brass, 50-50 being 50% Pinata Brass and 50% isopropyl alcohol. But I'm pretty sure, no, I don't use it on this painting, but I thought I would at the time I was making it. So, and it's got a little agitator beads in it to help keep it, the mica's floating around in there, but that's neither here nor there. All right, so this was my first time using this paper, and I wasn't sure if it was going to stain much, how it would clean up, any of that. And we're just fast forwarding through this because I wasn't sure exactly what kind of design I wanted to do first. And I also did want to see how it cleaned up. Does it stain? You know, that's why I kind of picked this design too. It was my least favorite out of the flower pack. So I thought, well, if I mess up, I'll mess up on the ugly one. And then, you know, I'll get better as I go along. But look at this. Look at how it cleans up. It just cleans up like a dream. I was really shocked because Amethyst is a pretty strong ink, and it will stain like the Yupo Legend paper. And so, yeah, I was very pleasantly surprised when I went to clean up and saw how nice and stain-free everything was. Okay, so now I've got Kamenskaya Deep Water, and this is going to be our background color. We're going to put a background base, kind of like a base layer on. And what's cool about alcohol inks, and you'll see when I get my brushes out, is that alcohol inks push each other out of the way. So I'm laying my base down first, and when I go in with my brushes, the alcohol on my brushes will push any of the color that's in my way out of the way and let me put in the color that I want there, if that makes any sense. Okay, we're going to speed through most of this process because it doesn't stay this way. It kind of tends to go through an ugly stage for me before I get to what I want. So there I'm just dabbing with the paper towel. I'll be adding some more alcohol to my paper towel and just kind of dabbing my inks all around the paper. And now I've got a mist bottle that is got the 99% isopropyl alcohol in it. And you get some really cool effects with this mist bottle. You can get a mist bottle just about anywhere, probably even at your local grocery store. I got mine at the 99-cent store. But yeah, this is just really super cool. While I got you here, I would like to invite you to please do the UB2B thingies, the likey, sharey, subscribies. And also, this is part of the Thursday train. And my other train members are Just Janice and Dave's Acrylic Creations. I have the links for their videos down in my description. If you would please go check those out, I would really appreciate it. There were some little fluffers that came off of my paper towel. As you can see, I'm kind of digging them out, and you see how it leaves those bare spots. That's what's wonderful about this mist bottle. You just give it a little spray and everything kind of blends right back where it belongs. So everything else in here is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to put on a little bit of music and let you continue to watch, and I'll see you towards the end.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out. When I'm too worn out. So I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down again. I was born to be this.
have it, all dry. I really love how the distress kind of put that little tiny bit of shimmer in there. Gave it a little bit more life. I really love this paper too. Unexpected surprise. I'm in love with this paper. So I hope you give it a shot. And yeah, until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye.